here's the Ford Jet Rochester off of Bryan's 59 Buick. We're going to go ahead and get this ripped down and ready to go, as the kit has come in already. So, that's what we're going to do. Yucky. Floats are on the wrong end. That needs to go around that. Just trying to get the faceplate off, and there's so much gunk in that screw that I'm gonna need to hit it with some brake clean, let it sit. Reminder, there's a hole down here in the primary. Pull this out too. Pretty much torn down. So that was definitely stuck. That's the one out of the primary up here. Fun. Fun, 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 fun. Into the drink you go.